This Halloween, we're spooking up something special. No tricks, just the sweetest treats for your WordPress site. Whether you're looking to speed up your site, streamline bookings, or get your business in front of more customers, we've got scary good deals that will make your website fly. ThemeDev is offering up to 66% off on all plugins. And trust us, these deals are scary good. You won't want to miss out. Now meet your spooky suite lineup. Next 3 offload, up to 45% off. Offload your images and videos to 20+ cloud platforms and make your site fly. Cleanly, up to 45% off. For cleaning businesses who want seamless scheduling and stress-free bookings. Salonly, up to 45% off. Salon business owners who don't want booking chaos, this is for you. Washer, up to 40% off. Car wash bookings made easy for car wash business owners. Next CRM, up to 46% off. Turn leads into loyal fans with smart, automated email marketing, all inside WordPress. Evental, up to 32% off. Host events like a pro. Manage everything from registrations to bookings effortlessly. Next video reviews, up to 28% off. Real faces, real trust. Collect and showcase video testimonials that convert. Trick or treat, this spoopy sale ends soon. The choice is yours, but only if you act fast. Grab now at ThemeDev.net before these deals disappear into the dark night.